Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Moni, the usual beauty subscription unboxing. We're gonna unbox a BIRCHBOX first. It came in a white box. It's a tin container this month. So usually in a box. I've not had a tin container from them for a while. The last tin container I had from them was last year and I still have it. So beautiful with a pink flowers design. Okay, so you got the leaflets. Like so, some type of a voucher for Father's Day, coupon code at the back. The thing for this month, BIRCHBOX Blooming Lovely. It says, hello BIRCHBOXers, May is here and with its bright days and fresh optimistic. So it's time to let the natural beauty shine through this month and to also remember that you're blooming lovely, which I am. It's like we're thinking alike. That's why I have my natural hair out. Let's just get unboxing. First item is a Malika Dark mascara in hot pink, or the other one was cool aqua. I chose the hot pink. Retails for £23 full size. This is a travel size. I like mascaras in beauty boxes. Really nice color. I love it. Very unusual shape, but it's cute. Just gonna open. It's a black mascara. I just thought it was going to be a hot pink mascara. Next item is Huda Paris, and this is their Radiant Serum. Full size retails for £46, and it just says this is oil-free serum, helps even complexions and moisturizing boost. It's got glycerin to help plump and hydrate, perfect for all skin types. The silky formula is free from parabens and sulfates. Says apply a thin layer to clean skin each morning and evening. This is a travel size. Next item is Miracle Africa Argan Oil and Maruca Conditioner. So it's a hair conditioner. I'm guessing it's an African brand. Full size of this retails for £19. This is a travel size. I love getting conditioners. A treatment for lacklustrous locks. This conditioner improves moisture and protects from environment damage, no matter your hair type. After shampooing, smooth the conditioner through the ends of your hair. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse clear. Next one is Human & Kind Body Souffle. It's a 2-in-1. Full size of this retails for £16.45. This lightly whipped cream makes nourishing your body feel like a luxurious task. Massage in velvet and over moisturizing ingredients, aloe vera and a multitude of botanical oils to leave your limbs softer than ever with a seriously healthy skin. This is a travel size as well. The last item, Balance Me PHA Clarifying Mist. So it says this clarifying PHA mist gently exfoliates to speed away blemishes, unblock pores, and brightens your complexion. It's also packed with zinc to regulate sebum secretion and tackle shine, to smoothen skin and reduce redness. Spray on your face or any body parts when blemishes are bothering you. I'm just gonna spray it and see how it smells like. Yeah, it's kind of like peppermint, but it's got essential oils. So that's pretty much everything from BIRCHBOX. Next unboxing will be a GLOSSYBOX, and then you've got a little Vision Direct leaflet. It's grab free contact lens trial. So you get 2 free contact lens trial. This is the box. It says Wild Thing GLOSSYBOX. Wild Thing. You make my heart. I like bursting to music. Explore your wild side. It shows you that it has 2 boxes. So it's got the leopard skin and the zebra skin. And I got the leopard skin. We're gonna use that leaflet. See all of the products that we've got. Hi Glossies. This May, we're embracing our wild side with 2 special design boxes. And you've just received our leopard Wild Thing Edit, featuring 5 full-size products. This box will introduce you to an array of sassy beauty must-have that makes you feel fierce and free. We're talking sultry eye makeup, animal print beauty tools, taming skincare, and more to help you rule your urban jungle. Unleash your inner feline. Sounds like an ad. Glossies and show the world you're the boss. Show the world who's boss. Ooh. Well, this looks nice. Okay, first item, last month's sneak peek. So it was the Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette. This retails for £31 and it's a full size. So it says, embrace your wild side and experiment with new subtle eye looks. Thanks to this gorgeous leopard skin eyeshadow palette, bursting, night creamy and intense shade. The silky smooth pigment glides effortlessly onto your lid to deliver some serious color. You can use this soft matte haze to create a subtle day look or blend the shimmer dark colors together to build an evening design. Nice sleek black packaging. Got a mirror, it's got some shimmers, mattes. Not tested on animals. Next item is the Easel lip balm. This was the one that I was talking about last month in our glossy box, which was quite similar. Don't let painful, dry, chapped lips stop you from living your wildest adventures. Full of nutritional and soothing ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. This natural lip balm deeply hydrates and condition your pouts. I got the sweet mint. Whether you receive the sweet mint, the pomegranate and raspberry or strawberry, you'll be left with soft, smooth and supple lips. Retails for £6.50. I've used this before, but my one was from the States and it wasn't this expensive. It's become quite expensive because it's quite popular now, but when this came out, so that's how it looks like out of the packaging. So it's pretty much like the exact same as last month's lip balm. Smells minty, sweet mint. I actually wish I got the strawberry one. I have tried this one before. It was okay. I mean, I liked it. It helped my lips, so it was really good. Next item, OK SOS printed sheet mask. This retails for £4 and it says you receive one of the three. I got the leopard print, or you receive these three, you get one of it. Channel your inner spirit animal with this fun sheet mask filled with skin loving ingredients like tea tree, witch hazel, and charcoal powder. They work to calm, tone, and balance your skin for a clearer and healthy looking complexion. Apply yours onto a clean base for 10 to 20 minutes, then gently peel it off and massage the remaining serum into your skin. I've tried a sheet mask before, not this particular one, but a different one, and I actually like it. They're quite affordable. They're actually Korean skincare. Korean skincare is the best skincare out there. So if you want to try any skincare, try Korean skincare. I know Primark sells Korean skincare, but I don't know if they sell okay. I've also tried their lip mask. Amazing. So their face sheets and their lip mask and their under eye mask. Love it. Love it. So I can't wait to try this. I might try it today, you know. Next item is by Mud Musky. So this is the hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. Tames your dry, damaged, and frizzy hair with this newly launched 3-in-1 hair care. Formulated with Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan mud, and flour. It first moisturizes the skin on your scalp, then repairs, hydrates, and strengthens your tresses. Massage it into your wet scalp and hair. Leave it for 1 minute, then rinse. You'll have beautiful, healthy locks in no time. Retails for £21. I've tried some of their products, which is like their serum, their face wash, moisturizer, I believe. Moisturizer? Yes. And I've never tried their shampoo and it's new, so I would love to try this. So it's paraben and sulfate free natural ingredients. Repairs, strengthens, and hydrates hair and scalp. Dandruff control. They're quite expensive brand. Last item is by Stargazer, and there's a glitter eyeliner pencil. Nothing stays fierce like an eyeliner with a touch of shimmer. These eye pencils not only features highly pigmented formula, but they have a sparkle of glitter through them too. Apply yours along your upper lash line and blend it out for a smoky effect. Or sharpen the tip and draw a precise winged eye with sparkly undertone. This retails for £2 and it's also full size. So you get 6 different ones. So this is Flush. So that's how it's looking like. This is something I'll use just for the inner eye. It's very soft and buttery, like very, very soft. I'll put it like in my inner eye, but not as a winged liner. That would look ridiculous. That's everything I got from GLOSSYBOX. I hope you guys enjoyed the May beauty box. Let me know down below which one was your favorite product that you received this month from GLOSSYBOX or BIRCHBOX. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!